Okay, here the number 13 of tax remedies question. Mr. Dixon operates a large manufacturing plant. He has not received any tax assessment from the BIR. However, the revenue officer received a tip that Mr. Dixon is liquidating all his machinery, canceling his business registration, and has purchased one-way ticket to migrate permanently to Canada next week. The RO or revenue officer believes that Mr. Dixon has unpaid tax liabilities. So, ang tanong, can the revenue officer seize the machinery immediately? Ang sagot ay nagkaroon kasi ng mga anong tawag dito? Yung mga indicators ba that would be a ground for the distraint. Ang tawag dito ay constructive distraint of personal property. So, while the general correction kasi requires the final assessment, dito naman sa constructive distraint, hindi kailangan. Ang ano lang dito, ang constructive distraint ay ginagawa lang siya or ginagamit yung constructive para ma-prevent yung hindi pagbayad ng tax in the near future ng taxpayer. Okay. So, this is a preventive remedy na pwedeng gamitin even before the assessment is issued becomes final. So, kahit walang final, di ba sinasabi natin na pwedeng makapag-collect ng within, pag ang tax liability ay final, executory, and demandable, ito ay hindi kailangan aabot sa ganyan. Anyway, hindi naman ito collection. Ito lang ay prevention para ma-secure yung collection. Now, the grounds present in the scenario kasi, halimbawa, yung retiring from business, o yon sinabi dito, canceling his business registration, at saka yung intending to leave the Philippines, one-way ticket to Canada, hindi na siya magbalik, baka. That will justify the use of the constructive distraint para maiwasan na tatakbo yung taxpayer sa kanyang babayaran na tax. So, kaya ang sagot dito ay kung pwede bang i-seize yung machinery, yes, yung sagot dito. Tama yan. Through constructive distraint. Kasi yung taxpayer is intending to leave the Philippines at saka nag-retire siya sa kanyang business. Any of this ground kasi na makikita ay pwedeng mag-execute ng constructive distraint. Ha? Kahit na hindi nag-retire pero halimbawa naglayas, hindi na babalik, that is a one-way, that's one of the grounds na pwedeng mag-execute ng constructive distraint yung taxpayer natin. Yung BIR officer. Now, mayroon tayong what if dito. What if si Mr. Dixon daw was simply selling old machinery to buy newer, more expensive to expand and had no intention of leaving the country? Then ang sagot, it cannot be executed. Ang sinasabi yung constructive distraint, hindi pwede execute. Kasi normal naman sa business na mag-buy ng bagong machinery at saka ibenta yung dati. So, yon.